Understand that trading the stock market, just like trading other markets like Forex, options, crypto, and bonds, is not easy. Equities are very volatile and high-risk investments where one can create wealth while also incur huge losses in a day of trading. Having said that, it is also a very interesting investment category to learn and understand, and can give one an opportunity to accumulate wealth over a longer period of time, irrespective of the volatility in the markets. My advice to someone starting stock trading would be: 1. Invest only as much as you can afford to lose. 2. Avoid herd mentality. 3. Buy only those businesses that you can understand. 4. Diversify as far as sectors are concerned. 5. Keep realistic return expectations. 6. Do not try to time the market. In most cases, it does not work. 7. Do not let emotions control investment decisions. 8. Research companies well before investing in them. 9. Invest consistently over a period of time rather than all at once. 10. Invest for the long haul rather than short term. Do you have any more tips for people wanting to try the stock market? Leave your comments in the comments section below. Subscribe for future videos and like this video.